Preventing early death and slashing the risk of heart disease in women could be as simple as eating a Mediterranean diet. A world-first Australian study has found sticking to simple, fresh food has big benefits.
For Kelly Mahalakis, the Mediterranean diet is a way of life.
The food is healthy, it's delicious, it's nutritious and it's easy to make.
And it could save your life. A recent study by the University of Sydney finding women who followed the fresh focused diet had up to 24% lower risk of heart disease and a 23% lower risk of death.
So this really confirmed that a Mediterranean diet was equally beneficial in women as it has been known to be in men.
Whole grains, fruits, vegetables, beans, herbs, nuts and healthy fats like olive oil are the staples of the diet, as well as fish and seafood with dairy, eggs and chicken in moderation, while red meat and sugar are kept to a minimum.
So you actually have to be reminded constantly that this is what we should be eating.
Research also shows less than 10% of Australian women currently eat the recommended 2 pieces of fruit and 5 serves of vegetables every day.
Women seem to be so busy. They become highly reliant on pre-prepared, pre-processed foods. So I think we've got a lot of work to do still in Australia to change the way that we eat.
Often considered a male issue, heart disease is also the #1 killer for women. So some simple changes can have a big impact.
I feel healthier and much more energised.
Mimi Becker, 9 News.